President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. today inked a piece of legislation that simplifies and standardizes tax payments of mining companies, further develops the communities located in and around mining sites, and strengthens environmental protection. And as our Kenneth Pasyente reports, a windfall in tax revenues in the next 4 years is expected, which also puts the country as a key player in the global mining industry.
With the aim of fixing the taxation of mining in the country, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. signed Republic Act 12253, or the Enhanced Fiscal Regime for Large-Scale Metallic Mining Act, a law that aims to simplify and make fair the taxation system for mining companies in the Philippines. Under this, tax distinctions based on mining agreements will be removed. It will also ensure that the government receives a fair share from mines through the imposition of royalty on mines located outside mineral reservations.
This reform mandates mining companies that operate within the government's designated mining sites to pay a royalty of 5% of their gross output. Those operating outside mineral reservations, on the other hand, will be subject to a margin-based royalty on income from metallic mining operations. It also imposes additional taxes when a company's profit margin exceeds 30%, ensuring that the government receives its fair share from the extra profit and that the benefits will ripple into the lives of ordinary Filipinos.
The law also has a provision on ring fencing, which prevents companies from reducing taxes by combining profits and losses from different projects. The chief executive also added that the law strengthens mechanisms for transparency and accountability.
When collecting taxes, each mining contractor is recognized as a separate taxable entity. This prevents the consolidation of income and expenses of all mining projects by the same taxpayer. Gone are the days when a mining contractor can bury its profits beneath the weight of losses. No longer can we use the one project's failure to conceal another project's success. Transparency is now the rule, accountability our standard, and fairness the measure by which we move forward.
President Marcos Jr. also pointed out that under the law, local government units and residents who are often affected by mines will also benefit.
In addition to the allotted national revenue collections, local government units will now receive 40% of the gross collections from excise taxes on mineral products, royalties, and other taxes or fees. This ensures that the communities who bear the brunt of mines will also experience their benefits. Meanwhile, 10% of royalties from government-designated mining sites will go to the Mines and Geosciences Bureau and the Metals Industry Research and Development Center. This is done to guarantee that part of the revenues is reinvested in exploration, in research, above all, environmental protection and sustainable practices.
The President also ordered the Bureau of Internal Revenue and the Bureau of Customs to review all sales and exports of mineral resources, as well as the records of mining companies, with the help of the Mines and Geosciences Bureau. Special Assistant to the President for Investment and Economic Affairs Secretary Frederick Go welcomed the law. He said this is a big factor in positioning mining in the Philippines as a key player in the global value chain. He also added that this law will promote the development of communities through the responsible use of the country's mineral resources. From 2026 to 2029, the government is expected to generate revenues of up to 25.08 billion pesos from the mining fiscal regime. Apart from the expected increase in national revenues, the measure also promotes responsible mining and stronger environmental protection. Kenneth Pasyente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.